In this, we are going to understand how to identify nodes. In our past few sessions, we have talked about nodes. We have seen lot of nodes and also we have seen different types of nodes. And also I have mentioned there are four important nodes. We have element node, comment node, text node and document node. For each and everything, we are having different code value. Now, if we take an example of element node, that will be having the value as 1. For text node, we will have 3. For comment node, we will have 8. And finally, for document node, we will have the value 9. In this, we are going to see how to identify the nodes. So, what we will do, I have just written the basic HTML code, H1, paragraph, 1 comment, as well as 1 text. I will just inspect this one. Now here inside this element, if you see here, I am having H1, paragraph, this comment, text, and this is the code which is injected by live server. So you do not have to worry about this code. For better understanding, I will just open this using normal path. I will copy this path and here I am just going to paste. Now I will inspect this. Okay, now this is the element. Now I have not opened using live server. So that code will not be injected by live server. So this is our basic HTML. We have already seen in get elements by ID. Whenever we access the element using ID, we will get the result as element node. Let me just write a script tag. And inside this, I will just create one paragraph is equal to document dot get element by ID. And inside this, I'm just going to give the ID as para. I will display log and here I will write paragraph. And for this paragraph, I will just give the ID as para. Save this. Now in my console, now let me just refresh once. Now in my console, you can see I will be having this paragraph. Now to know the node type, we have the property called node type. We can just write here node type. Save this. Again, I have to refresh because I have not opened using live server. Now I got the result as 1. 1 will be indicating element node. Okay, for element node, okay, it is fine. Now I want to access this text. Now to access this text, as of now, I am not having any reference. So what we can do, I will just come to elements and inside this, I am just going to open my devs tool. Here I am just going to click on this text and if you see here, I am having equal to $0. So what it is telling, using this $0, I can access this text. I have to click on this. I will go to console. Now here I will just write $0. As soon as I write, you can see I am able to access that text. Now to see this node type, $0 dot node type, enter. The node type is 3. 3 is for text node. Now if I just want to access the node value, I will just write here node value. Enter. Now you can see node value is this. Yes, I am liking it. Before that, I am having this space, one new line. And after this text, I am having 2 new lines. You can see before this, I am having one new line. And after this text, this is 1. And this is totally 2 new lines I am having. So this is 1 when I will come down. And this is the second one. So this is my node value. And also I can get the node name. Node name will also be our text. Similarly, to access the comments, we just have to click on this. We will be getting this reference. Now if I just write here $0, I will be getting comment. Whatever I have written inside the comment, that will be displayed. So in the same way, node type will be 8 for comments. For text, we have node type as 3. For comments, we will have 8. In the same way, node name is comment. And finally, we have this node value. Node value is this one. I hope you like the video. Okay, this is how we are going to identify the nodes. We just have to come to DevTools, and inside this, whichever reference we want, we can just click on that, and easily using this properties, node type or node value or node name, we can get what type of node it is. Now if I just want to access this H1, same thing, let me clear. Here I will write $0, enter. Now I will get my H1. Again I will just write here node type. Node type is 1 for element node. Then we have node name. Node name is H1. And remember, for this element node, node value we are getting as null. This is how we are going to identify nodes inside our HTML.